find a video with a thumbnail you like, copy the URL of that video. Open a new tab and search for YouTube thumbnail downloader. Click on the first link and paste the copied URL. Download the thumbnail image and save it where you want. Open the Copilot software. If you don't have it, download and install it first. Sign in with your email address. Now click the plus icon and upload the downloaded image. Type detailed explanation for this image. Hit enter. Now copy the generated description. Open a new tab and search for Leonardo AI. Sign in with your Google account or sign up if you are new. Click on image creation. Select the image size. Paste the copied description and press enter. Your new image will be generated in less than a minute. Download the image. Now open a new tab and search for face swap. Upload your newly created image and the face image you want to use. Click enter to apply the face swap. Download your final thumbnail. You are done. Enjoy your new thumbnail. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe.